Today I'm going to show you how to make caramel corn, and what you will need is popcorn. I'm just using pre-made popcorn. You can make your own if you want to, but yeah. And you also need a pan, also a half a cup of butter, so 1 stick of butter, and a half a cup of brown sugar. And you will also need a pan, obviously, but you have to start it on a cold burner. So you put your ingredients on and then put the heat on. Okay, so I've got my brown sugar and my butter on the pan, and I put my burner on medium heat. And now I'm gonna get a wooden spoon to stir it all with. You just saw me like legs earlier. Okay, so I'm just like crushing up the brown sugar, and see, the butter's already starting to melt. And yeah, so you just sort of wait for that stuff to melt all together. And yeah, you sort of have to stir it constantly, or else it will sort of like burn or like stick to the pan or something. So yeah, and yeah, this takes about like, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes, I don't know, because it took me like 6 minutes to film it, so around 6 minutes to do it. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed the video up from here because it's gonna get a little boring. Okay, now I've gotten to this stage where the butter and brown sugar are all melted together, but I mean the butter isn't like really mixed into the brown sugar yet. So you will just keep mixing until it starts to bubble, because it's sort of starting to bubble now. And the color is a little off on the camera. It's more like a goldeny brown in real life, not just like a sort of pinkish brown on the camera. So yeah, as you see, it's starting to bubble a little bit, sort of. And oh yeah, there are the bubbles. See, so go ahead and keep stirring like a lot. Yeah. Here, I'll zoom my camera in just so you can see the bubbles a little bit more. And yeah, so it'll keep bubbling until it's like really bubbling. This part happens really fast. And it'll like sort of start to get a little bit stringy too, and like you can see the consistency of it. Like, yeah, it's all bubbly. And it's starting to get a little bit, yeah, see, it's like starting to get stringy. So it's almost ready actually. Yeah, I think it's about ready, and now it's like bubbling really rapidly, I guess, and it's time to put your popcorn, or pour it on your popcorn. So let's do that. Okay, so I've got my popcorn, and now I just pour the toffee or caramel, it's actually toffee, but it tastes like caramel corn, over my popcorn. And I'm stirring it with a chopstick. You can stir it with anything you want. I just think a chopstick chopstick works well. And yeah. And you're gonna need, I think, about around 4 cups of popcorn. That's what I use. But if you want it more sweet, then you can use like 3.5 cups. I'm not sure. But yeah. And the toffee will settle to the bottom, so the bottom stuff is sweet too. Yeah. And you can even use more than 4 cups if you want to. So you just stir it all around until it looks like the popcorn is evenly coated. And yeah. So, okay, so this popcorn looks about evenly coated. So after that, you can let it cool just in the room, I guess. But if you want to cool it down faster, you can put it in the freezer. Well, if it fits. Oh yeah, it does fit. Or the fridge to speed up the cooling time. And once you're done with that, you will get these beautiful kernels of carameliness. So there you go, guys. That's how you make caramel corn, or toffee corn. Just don't tell them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and live a sweet life.